So today we're going to talk about how you get that super glowy, dewy, just really healthy skin glow. And we're going to start off with skin prep and then we'll go into actual products. So we're going to do that and I'll be right back. And before I put on that Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, I'm going to put on a couple of pumps of the MAC Hyper Real Skin, the Serumizer. So I'm going to start by prepping my skin with my three favorites: Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, the Eye Base, and my Dior Lip Oil. We put on the serumizer, or they tell you to do a very hydrating serum before you do your moisturizer, or like even the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, even though it has jojoba oil and different things in it and vitamin E to help heal and repair, is because moisturizer is made to seal in moisture you have. If you tend to be on the drier side or you're wanting that very dewy skin, you want something that has hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is produced by sugar, like it breaks down the sugar component in the body and it actually creates its own. Hyaluronic acid is what collagen grows around. In order to grow new collagen, if you are losing it, you need to put hyaluronic acid back in the skin, because as we age, we start to lose both. So we want to make sure that we're putting on an hyaluronic acid based serum to help create some surface moisturizer, some surface moisture, so that when we put on our moisturizer, it seals in the moisture that we've created. That way your moisturizer can actually work and do its job. You can see I applied the serumizer, I did the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Eye Base and the Face Base, and I've already got that dewy, like glassy look to the skin. We're going to take it up a notch, and for makeup, we're going to use the Wonder Glow. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. It is an instant soft filter glowing primer, and it is an illuminator. So there's different shades of illuminator. Pick which one that's right for your skin tone. I can wear this one. So it does have a slight, like, champagne tint to it, but it's not enough that it's going to overwhelm my skin tone. You can get the same thing with the Flawless Filter or the e.l.f. It's your personal preference. See, now I have nice, radiant, luminous skin. What healthy skin should look like when you're doing proper skincare at home and you're really working on your barrier function and your specific concerns. Next, I'm going to apply my Jamarini. This is the Physical Protected. It is the tinted. It automatically matches to your skin tone. I did a whole video on how to use it as makeup. You can go back and watch that. But I do 2 lines down my fingers. And we're going to kind of pat and swipe to apply it, just like I did with the primer and the serum. And bring it up under the eyes right here, because it is a physical sunscreen and it has zinc and titanium dioxide. And that's going to help prevent us, as we age, we start to get this texture right up under the eyes. And it is from UVA damage, from that sun damage. And go right up under the lid, or under the brow. And then I'm just going to smooth that right down the back of my neck. And you can add concealer. You've seen me do that in other videos to help give more coverage, like on my chin or cheeks. Whatever works for you. So we put on our tinted sunscreen. That gives us a nice, healthy glow to the skin as well. If you wanted a more matte version of this, you could use Huda Beauty's new Set and Bake spray, setting spray. That would help matte it down a little bit, but still give you that glow, and it's more so just so it doesn't move. Krylon also makes a really nice setting spray that keeps everything from melting down, or the one size, you could use it. So typically, I filled in my brows just a little bit off camera, but this is typically how I would wear this look, and I would go. Like, I wouldn't put on anything else. But you can also throw on some mascara with it. This lash curler is from Baby Lash. And you just line it up and lightly pump. Just throw on a little something and get you in and out. Now you can, like in my last video I showed you, you could add bronzer, you could add blush. I put on that House Labs mascara, and now we're going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. And you can throw some gloss on over that. And you're good to go. Just a nice, sweet, simple look that gives you that glowy, dewy, hydrated skin. That's great for any time, and especially with summer coming up and the temperature warming up.